there, Sonia Mendez here with Fathom Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to 1322 Ross Street in West Columbia. Hey, come on in. Newly renovated home, which offers 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and a little over 8,000 square feet. The lot is entirely fenced in at a little bit over a 1/4 acre. You'll find a beautifully manicured front yard with mature trees and a long driveway. In the backyard, you'll find plenty of family time waiting for you. The home is centrally located in West Columbia, which offers plenty of dining, shopping, and recreational activities a short distance away from USC and Fort Jackson.